In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this jump starter, or actually a 6,250 amp jump starter. It's great for boats, trucks, cars, motorcycles, and even a lawnmower. This is lithium power. Start up to a 13-liter gas engine and a 13-liter diesel engine. Both of those are pretty big, so that's like almost 18-wheelers. And just going over the box here, it has this 10 protection system, overload, overcharge, over voltage, short circuit. It's got an AI software. Interesting. Overcurrent, reverse charge, reverse polarity. So you got to be careful not to hook it up backwards. Pretty simple. You connect it. It confirms with the button there, and then you hit the button to start the engine. It has a flashlight built in, IP65. You know what? Enough of that. Let's just take it out. It comes in this nice unit, and it has jump starter on there. Thanks for labeling it so we know what it is. Wow, that's actually a good quality case. Look at that handle on there. Little rubberized handle into like some decent looking like 5/16 webbing, maybe. A zipper open right there. You get a separator, a little thank you card, and I think this is some instructions, but you know what? If you've ever used one of these, it's basically hook up, turn on, and then start. Pretty simple, red to red, black to black. And the unit itself here, let me see if I can get this out. I've already had this thing out and used it, and then over here is everything that you're gonna need to get this thing started and charged. So you got that right there. And then right here is a USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it. So let me just go over the unit itself. So to turn it on, you're gonna hit the button right there. It lets me know I'm fully charged, 12 volt ready. So on this side, you've got the port for hooking up the actual starter unit. The actual cables hook in through that side. So on this side, you have this cover. It's the 12 volt 2 amp in, and it's got a USB-C out and a USB-A out. Both of them are 5 volts right there. So this can also charge a cell phone or something like that. And to turn the light on, let me show you the light. So if I want to this is actually really handy because that keeps me from having to get a flashlight if I'm under the hood trying to hook these things up. And then to turn it on, a second one, hit it again, and then a third one's the SOS. So there's 3 modes on that. Pretty simple to go through the modes. It's always handy to have that. I don't currently have a dead battery, but what I'm going to do for y'all is I'm going to take it outside, hook it up to my car, start my car, and just show you the process that this thing goes through, because it has a cool little kind of set right here that it goes through. And I love the actual premium look of this thing. This might be one of the most premium jump starters I've had so far. So yeah, let me take this thing outside, hook it up to my car, and then I'll give you my kind of final thoughts on what I think about this thing. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I'm out here at my car, and it's not got a dead battery on it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you guys hooking this thing up. So you can see the black goes on the black right there, the red goes on the positive right there, and then to turn this thing on, you're gonna hit the button right there. It is on. I just heard it click. 12 volt ready. So it's going through its motions right there. Let me hit that button again and see what it does. You can see it's saying that it's ready to start. I love this display. That might be one of the best displays I've ever seen. It did click. You can see how it clicked on there. And if you ever need like a flashlight, check that out. So I have the flashlight. I like that feature on how I could shine down in there. See, it's keep clicking. Let me turn the key and see what it does. Oh wow, this engine hasn't been started in about a month. Now it's saying disconnect. There you go. This was very simple to use, super easy to hook up, self-explanatory, has a lot of power. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to be more have an emergency road ready jumper box on them. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 6250 amp jumper box. See y'all in the next video.